Hi friends, today we're going to read What Makes Day and Night by Franklin M. Bradley. This is a really interesting book because it talks about how the sun lights up the sky and so does the moon. What makes day and night? Oh, look at the kitty cat. We all live on the earth. The earth is our planet. It is round like a big ball and it is spinning. Did you guys know it was spinning? I don't ever feel dizzy. It's hard to believe the earth is always turning because we don't feel any motion. This is because the earth spins smoothly, always at the same speed. This is a photograph of the earth. It was taken by a camera aboard the Apollo 17 spacecraft. You can see that the earth is round. Ooh. That's astronauts went up to space and they took that picture. Very cool. If you were way out in space and watching the earth, you would see it spin. The earth spins around once in 24 hours. Light from the sun falls on one half of the spinning earth. The half in the light has day. The other half is dark. It is in the earth's shadow. That half has night. As the earth spins, we move through the light into the darkness and back again. We have day and night. Very cool. Imagine you are in a spaceship high above the North Pole. Imagine you can stay there 24 hours and watch the earth make one complete turn. What would you see? Would you see the brightness from the sun and then the darkness? As the earth turns, we have sunrise, daylight, sunset, and night. People at A have sunrise. This is A right here. So this is when the sun is first rising in the sky. Later, because the earth is turning, they are at B. It is the middle of the day for them. It is noontime. This is B right there. That's when the sun is very bright and shining on us. As the earth turns, it carries them to C. They have sunset. This is C down here. That's when you can see the sun going down in the sky and it's starting to turn orange and pink. By the time they reach D, it is the middle of the night. That's D right there. It is midnight. At the end of the 24 hours, they have sunrise again. So the earth goes from A to B to C to D, then back again. You can see how we move from daylight to the darkness by doing an experiment. We're gonna be scientists. You will be the earth and a lamp will be the sun. So stand up in the sunlight like this boy in the picture, and then you'll see your shadow on one side and how you're bright and lit up on the other side. That's daytime and that's nighttime. Stand so that your left side is towards the lamp. Hold your arms out all the way. Your left arm points toward the lamp. This is sunrise. Stay in the same spot. Keep your arms out from your sides and turn to your left. Now the lamp is in front of you. It is the middle of the day. It is noontime. Do you see how he turns? He starts facing front and then he turns that way.
To the light.
Towards the light, yeah. Keep turning until your right hand points towards the lamp. You are turning away from the light. It is sunset. Keep turning until your back is towards the lamp. It is night, but your back is in daylight. Half of you is always light and half is dark. It is the same with the earth. So when we are in the darkness and we are having nighttime, the other half of the earth is having daylight and they're having the daytime. The earth is always turning. It never stops. Round and round it goes, and it goes very fast. About 100 miles an hour, 1,000 miles an hour. As the earth turns, we are always moving from day to night and from night to day. You can see this happen if you are awake very early. You can see sunrise. The earth is moving you towards the sun. And that's what sunrise looks like. You see the orange and the pink color. It's very beautiful. The earth keeps turning. Later in the day, we begin to turn away from the sun. You can see sunset. About 24 hours after sunrise, the sun will rise again. It all happens because the earth is spinning around. Go from sunrise to middle of the day, noontime, and then sunset. And then this says, as the earth turns, the sun seems to move across the sky. You see it goes across the sky. If you were on the moon, you would also have day and night, but the moon spins very slowly, so days and nights are long. Places on the moon have 2 weeks of daylight, then 2 weeks of darkness. During one night on the moon, the earth spins around 14 times. Wow, that's so many times. So the earth moves much faster than the moon does. The turning earth gives us about 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness. That seems just about right for all of us on the planet Earth. The end.